I'm Jack Ryan with RE/MAX Premier Group, and I'm at an open house on 19th Street in a neighborhood called Coventry. And I want to talk to you a little bit about older neighborhoods and older homes. Coventry is a long-standing neighborhood in a super location, close to everything, and these homes are ripe for renewal. They're bigger, they have bigger lots, and they're low priced based on comparison with new homes. So when you're out shopping for a house, think about neighborhoods like Coventry, okay? Take a look and see all of these homes, all this shade, all this mature landscaping. This is very high quality of living in Tuscaloosa. The new home neighborhoods pretty much have no trees. Here you have hundreds of years worth of trees grown. Very shady in the summer when it's hot. And the interiors of these homes are interesting. All you have to do is be brave, have a vision, and think, I'll get into these homes and do it one room at a time, and I'll get the best of both worlds. A new updated interior and a traditional family neighborhood exterior. If you want to know more about approaching real estate that way, get a hold of me, Jack Ryan with RE/MAX Premier Group.